Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well. This is Moto again. So this is technically my first vlog. I'm going to be going to a canyon nearby possibly. So there are a few things that I have done. Finally, I'm happy to make this vlog. So I changed the windscreen, and I also went to the dealership and took my bike again for the new Rage Cage tail lights. The review is coming next. I'm gonna make sure to upload it on the weekend and talk a little bit more about it on the camera. But yeah, so let's get ready and go for the ride. I'll catch you guys on the road. Okay guys, I just got some gas because I ran out. Luckily, I was to get it right on time, and I believe someone broke into somebody's car here. I don't know what happened. The deputy sheriffs are here. They're doing their thing. Yeah, so just got a drink. I'm so happy that I was able to get gas. Man, like I wasn't even going fast. But yeah, so we're gonna head out to this canyon here. Hopefully we don't get pulled over, because in the state of California, in our state, it's kind of like in a way it's illegal to have like bright and I have like what's this called, loud exhaust. I mean, I don't have a aftermarket or loud exhaust. Hopefully he doesn't come after me, hopefully not. But yeah, this is my first vlog at Moto. Back at it again. Just kidding. Yeah, I mean technically it is my first vlog. I'm kind of nervous because you can get distracted. There's cars coming and you have to watch people, constantly keep an eye on the road. People can be really fast. It can be nerve-wracking, but you know, but yeah, so trying to say it can be a little bit difficult to ride and also pay attention on the road. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make a right here. So today in this vlog, basically I'm gonna try to like talk a little bit about this bike and what it has done for me as far as like performance, the good things, the bad things. I don't really have any bad things. The only good thing that I have about this bike is very, very powerful. It's very, very powerful. Like, it's one of those things that you have to be really, really careful. I honestly, like, I'm constantly trying to pay attention on the road. I'm constantly trying to be more active and trying my best to not get run over by anyone. But yeah, but honestly, it's super fun. Like, it's just like, oh my god, I still can't believe I own this thing. So another thing I wanted to say, I did a few things. I did the windscreen. That was an aftermarket one. It was a Pug. That's the first mod technically I did to this bike. And the second was the Rage tail lights. Is the LED tail lights, which I took it to the dealership. I installed that too. Just my personal choice. That's why I did it, and that's how I wanted to do it. Yeah, so I also did the 600-mile service, which I mentioned a little bit earlier. But honestly, it completely has changed the look of this bike. I'm not gonna lie, it just looks phenomenal. Like, I can't describe it. Like, people on the street look at this bike and they're like, what is this thing? The only thing that's helping people, I guess I would say, to really take a look and try to figure out the brand of this bike is because of what's this called, because of the logo, the Yamaha logo. That's the only reason. Other than that, it's very difficult for people to really tell, like, oh, this bike is a Yamaha. Yeah, so I'm very nervous. I wouldn't say nervous like to the max, but what I'm trying to say is it's one of those things, like, I still can't believe that I made this thing happen. Sometimes I go in a shock mode, and it's my dream bike, and there's a lot of things that you can do with this bike, but honestly you can do the ECU flash after that, and also what's this called, change the suspension, and there's a lot of other things. But honestly guys, I think it's fast. Like, you know, like, it has a lot of torque. As fast as it is, I don't think you need to do anything else to this bike. So, you know, that's the beauty behind this bike, that it has a lot of torque. Like honestly, as soon as I rev it, change gears, and I just like press the throttle just a little bit, and it just wants to go and go and go. Like, just oh my god, it's scary and fun, not gonna lie. It's really scary, but lots of fun. You know, you gotta respect it. As long as you can respect this bike, ride it the way it needs to be ridden. I mean, yeah, there are some people who are going to want to do crazy things. Me, you know, knowing that, you know, I have a lot of things going on for me, and obviously I'm just a little bit different. I consider myself pretty responsible, so that's why, like, I'm not willing to do certain things that some people may not be doing it. I mean, kudos to them, you know. If you want to go fast and you have open roads, there are other states which they do, but here in California, man, like, it's just, there's a lot of traffic. It's very difficult. You have to constantly be watching, constantly keep an eye on. These cars might be coming in from left and right, so that's something that we always have to keep an eye on here. But other than that, honestly, it's a state where you can ride almost any time of the year, and that's what makes this state beautiful. I mean, amazing. And that's something that I love about this state, and owning a motorcycle, especially a Yamaha R6. The beaches are close to me, so I will be vlogging and putting more videos out about, as far as like going to the beach possibly. And oh, goes another biker, cruiser technically. Yeah, so it's just very exciting, you know. It's one of those things that this state, we can't take it for granted. As far as the 1,000 miles break-in period is still pending, because I barely hit 800 miles on this thing. So we are still waiting to go over 1,000 miles, which I am going to be doing. I'm probably going to do, you know, the 5 things I like and 5 things I hate about my bike, and also the review of 1,000 miles and possibly 6 months and the problems and whatsoever. Another thing that I'm noticing is when I had the 2007 one, that one was what's this called, when you ride a lot, like on a daily basis, like, it used to come a little bit hotter. I mean, this one gets hot a little bit too, but that's how these sports bikes are, you know. That's how they are, and that's something that you can't really, I mean, you don't really have control over. I mean, depends on it just makes me really happy. It makes me want to just go and just drive and just forget about everything again. You know, working professionals and stress. Like, I kid you guys not, like, this is one of the best things ever that has ever happened to any rider. If you ask any rider, they will tell you the same thing. And they will tell you that riding is therapy. Riding is one of the best therapies ever invented. It's just amazing. Like, you just forget about everything. All you want to do is just you, yourself, the road, and just focus. Just paying attention on the road, on the air quality, on the way you're riding, and just getting better, and just getting better, just getting better, just step by step, day by day. And that is something that I don't think anything else can buy. Like, me personally, I absolutely love motorcycles, but I also love cars. Like, one of the cars that catches my attention a lot, and I want to own one day, is what's this called? A BMW M3. I absolutely love those cars, especially the F80 platform. The four-door sedan. It's sporty, it's fast, you can tune it and push up to 700 horsepower. And also, it's a family car, so you can actually daily drive it and spend time with your family, go to road trips, and also if you want to take it to the track, you can. So, you know, there's a few things about that, and that's something that's kind of, I believe, is hard to find, and it's hard to get in other cars. Don't get me wrong, I like Camaros. That's a V8, American muscle, can't go wrong with that. And also the Scat Pack Chargers, they came up with, and the Challengers, of course, they came up with the wide body ones. Oh my god, those look nice too. So yeah, I mean, like, obviously this channel is just to, I mean, my mainly focus is just, you know, talk about motorcycles, things about what we're gonna do next, and what is going to be my next bike. But the main focus is, you know, just bikes and riding, and just sharing passion with other riders. But yeah, it's a great thing. I'm very thankful to have it in my life. It's very calm. It's just peaceful. Like, it's just an amazing feeling to just be on this thing. There are a few channels that I follow. They have inspired me too. Is Jared Campisi. He lives in Santa Barbara. He does like a lot of vlogging on motorcycles. He's an advocate of, I mean, he's a huge fan of Yamaha. What's this called? The Ducatis. He recently got a new Ducati. And I also follow 650B. He's another fellow biker and moto lover, and he focuses on like riding and meeting people. He does like a lot of stuff. He has a few bikes, like his collections are goals. I mean, in future maybe I'll focus on like having 2 or 3 bikes and just, you know, talk about different bikes. Like, my next goal is like he's the big brother of this bike is Yamaha R6. But obviously we have to ride this bike. I mean, me personally, take the advantage of it, do a lot of things as far as like go a lot of places, take a lot of road trips, and make the best out of it. And after that, then, you know, it's time for a change, then it's going to be time for a change, and you'll go for that. Then I'll get something else. But for now, like, this bike is not going anywhere. Like, if I have to increase the horsepower and do a ECU flash and tune and all that stuff, you know, those are later. But for now, like, a few a few things that I have to focus on and I want to focus on is my personal riding experience, my personal riding as far as like getting better, like tackling the road, being comfortable a lot on the freeway, on the streets, and another thing that I really want to do is go to track. I really want to go to track. I want to go to track, and I want to, oh my god, I would think that would be amazing, to just buy a full suit and go to track and learn how to ride on track and test the limits of this bike. Because at the end of the day, guys, you guys have to remember, I mean, most of you know this is an entry-level sports bike. It's a 600cc. Like a lot of, I mean, most of the people I know, if I bring up to their attention, they just get shocked. It's like, wow, you have a 600? That's my dream bike. I'm like, yeah, that's my dream bike too. So this bike has a lot of torque, it's fast. Like I can 100% feel the difference between the 2020 and the 2007 one. The one that I had, it was a blue one. But this one, oh my god, like you feel the torque, the horsepower. Like Yamaha like killed it with the aesthetics, the way this thing handles, like everything. So you know, that's why I love Yamahas. Like I'm obsessed with Yamahas. It's just, you know, the quality of their bikes is just amazing. Another bike that came out is, I think a lot of people keeping an eye on, is the 1000RR Fireblade. And that bike, oh my gosh, it's one of the best bikes, I think. A track bike, like literally track focused bike that I've seen on the road. I'm not sorry, on the road, the reviews on YouTube. Oh, that's a nice Subaru. Yeah, it's a Subi or Toyota. I believe it's Subi, yeah. Yeah, those are loud too. But yeah, so, you know, I just wanted to make this vlog for you guys. Just gotta talk about a few things. I want to go longer and talk about more things, but I think it will be a little bit boring because I want to focus on just, you know, one vlog at a time. But anyhow, sorry guys, I just kind of got distracted just enjoying the beauty. But yeah, you know, thank you very much for watching my vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video. Oh shoot, sorry man, I pulled up on sorry. I pulled over on the bike lane. Yeah, but what can you do? I don't have a place to stop. But yeah, it's been, you know, amazing. I'm extremely happy to make this video happen, and also this bike. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and keep rolling with the punches, focusing on your goals, focusing on your life, and focusing on making things happen is the key to be ahead in life. But other than that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Please like my video, comment below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.